Yeah, good morning, everybody. So, as last class, we have discussed about introduction to web technologies course. So, web technologies meant for the technologies which are going to develop web applications. So, already we know what is the web application. As part of developing web application, PHP is actually unit 1. PHP is used to develop web pages. Server side, this is actually server side scripting language. So as part of PHP, they're actually in first unit, uh, I'll explain as two parts. Part 1, introduction to PHP, and part 2, remaining section. Okay, so in part 1, in PHP, declaring variables, data types, arrays, strings, operators, expressions, control structures, functions, these are we are going to learn. Okay. Next, in part 2, these topics like reading the data from form buttons, handling the files, connecting the database, and file handling in PHP. So these things we are going to in part 2. Now, right now, what is the PHP? PHP is actually hypertext preprocessor. Actually, page home processor. Actually, this is the anyway. Initially, it is introduced by 1994. At the time, this is only for personal development. Later, it will be nowadays. It is used to server-side scripting language. Many applications are used in PHP, and also PHP scripts are executed on the server. PHP is open source. It is freely download and use. And while coming to PHP history, it is created by Rasmus Ledov. He is a software engineer of Apache team. He is introduced and developed a small piece of code which is to create dynamic content on server side. It is scripting language. So after that, this is registered with the name of personal home page tool. Personal home page tool. Nothing but PHP tool. Then it is released as version 2 with the name of PHP/F5 form interpreter. So basically PHP is an interpreted language. Interpreted language. I think you know very well what is interpreted language. You no need to compile the program. Just you need to run the program straight away. So statement by statement or line by line will be executed. So like HTMLs. So for learning PHP, actually prerequisites are required. The prerequisites are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Anyway, even you don't know, not a problem. You can learn HTML hypertext markup language. Very easy to learn, which is to develop web pages. In order to create web pages, HTMLs are used. Okay, anyway, these HTMLs we will learn in second unit, HTML and XMLs. Okay, so this is the about PHP. Initially, it is 1994, and later 1995 it is come to the as a public version as PHP-FI. Later, in the mid of 1997, this PHP used by 50,000 websites almost. Because of this reason, this is because clients are more, so that improvements like additions to the PHP increased year by year. Later in 1998, it is used by 1 lakh websites, and then end of the 1999, this is actually almost 10 lakhs websites. Nowadays, almost all applications uses PHP in order to create dynamic content on server side. So this is about history of PHP. Next, how the PHP pages generates on server side. So already I told you client browser. Browser so client which uses act as browser which act as client, and also browsers uses HTTP protocol in order to communicate with the server. So here client send a request, HTTP request, by using post or get methods. Post get methods we will learn in fifth unit. Sorry, not fifth unit, third unit as earlier. Okay. So posting the data, getting the data. Anyway, we will learn about this post and get. So HTTP client send a request to the Apache server. This is web server. Basically, Apache is a web server. Already I told you in web application, while developing web application, there are three components are there. That is, one is web client, web server, and database server. So here HTTP client's browser, nothing but HTTP client send a request to the Apache server, and Apache server having PHP module. So server itself provides response to the client as informative only. Whenever it features some extension, some programs. Okay, here PHP is the scripting language which is used to develop dynamic web pages. So whenever the PHP module going to run on Apache server, then based on the client input, this response hand over to the client. So first point, client from a browser send a HTTP request by using post and get methods, and then Apache server, nothing but web server, recognize that is for PHP script requested and send the request to the PHP module. So that first it is request, first point is request is Apache server receives the client request, and then it identifies that, oh, the request is comes for PHP module, so that it request is hand over to the PHP module. Then PHP interpreter executes PHP scripts, whatever required corresponding what purpose the request is coming. That corresponding script will be executed by the PHP module, and output, collect the output, and output will be handed over to the Apache server. Then Apache server replies to the client. This is the way of the client server communication occurs. Anyway, any application, but here we are using PHP module as server side scripting or server side scripting language. Okay, got it? Got it? Just put SMS. Okay, next. So what can PHP do? So PHP can do these points, just note it down. PHP can generate dynamic page content. So this is basically used for dynamic page. Dynamic means, already I told you, based on client input, server or else any technology. You just program and prepare web page based on client input. Prepare web page based on client input and hand over to the output to the client. That is the meaning of dynamic page content. And PHP can create, open, read, write, delete, close files on the server. Means PHP can do file server operations. And PHP can collect form data. Meaning web client, suppose browser software will send the data to the server. So for example, if you username and password, end user will enter username passwords. Clicking on submit button, the values end user entered by values entered the right, that values will be collected by the PHP. That is the meaning. PHP can collect form data. Form means web page enter data. Okay, and PHP can send and receive cookies. Nothing but cookies. This actual name value pair. Simple example I will give you. What is cookie? Cookie means if we enter username password in Gmail, right? So after clicking sign in button, you will get prompt like remember, not remember option. Remember means both username passwords will be remembered by nothing but those will be resides clients and I think browser software, resides software. That can be done by using cookies. Keep in mind so that next time user freely can, without entering username password, just submitting on button, easily can enter. So that is the use of cookies. Anyway, we will learn about cookies in servlets, right? And PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. So meaning PHP can do database operations. So here database for doing database operations, PHP supports various databases, especially in your syllabus. MySQL is enough for you. MySQL server as a database server, right? PHP can be used to control user access. So for controlling your user access, PHP also, that's fine. Of course, instead of PHP, servlets are excellent, but PHP is small scripting language. It's not useful for big applications. Small application it is used for that. Like e-commerce, small e-commerce application, low level or middle level e-commerce applications. And PHP can encrypt data, so it also supports security little bit. And what are the advantages of, so why the business vendors or developers use PHP means it can run various platforms. So it's nothing but PHP is platform independence. Okay, PHP is compatible with almost all the servers. So nowadays what are used like Apache, IIS, any server, Logic. Okay, whatever servers nowadays popular, those servers supports PHP scripting languages. And PHP supports wide range of databases, not only MySQL, Sybase, many DB2, many databases. PHP can communicate with many database. And also PHP is easy to learn and runs efficient on the server. So easy to learn means most of the cases how the C, C++, Java can C, CPP code how we are writing. In that way we can easily write PHP code. So easily to learn. Right? This is about why PHP used by the industry nowadays, or else advantages also, correct. Next, some little bit drawbacks are there here. PHP for lack of security, because it is open source software, anybody can open and modify the code and then enter the bug, and it is possible comes in terms of security. And also it is not suitable for large applications, hard to maintain. Why? Because when compared to other applications, I suppose if you use servlets, it is used to maintain large applications. While compared to PHP, weak type means even though simple example I have given string suppose 100, both are same. Why? Because it implicitly cast is possible as floating point numbers. Okay, these are a little bit drawbacks are there, but small industry applications for developing web applications, PHP is suitable for not large applications. This is the drawbacks of PHPs. And next point is PHP installation. So in order to write the program, in order to run the PHP program, what are the installations are required? First point, web server is required, web server, PHP scripting supports, and MySQL support. So first these three are required. So first thing is find web host with PHP, which actually web server supports PHP, and then MySQL support, and then install web server on your PC, then install PHP and MySQL. Okay, so these these supported softwares are available in this URL. If you want, you can download, or else in our curriculum there is a server example, XAMPP exam server, which supports, is also IDE which supports PHP, MySQL web server Apache. So that exam server actually from Apache Foundation. Anyway, we'll do a program, not a problem. We can easily learn. Right. So this is the syntax for PHP. So PHP script can be executed on server side. Keep in mind, it should execute on server side. And plain HTML, it gives the output as plain HTML, nothing but as a web page. So by using HTML tags, we can develop web pages. That is basic. Even though if you use PHP, it gives as output as web page. So basic syntax for PHP is left angular bracket followed by question mark PHP. Okay, so this is the opening and closing. Between question mark PHP and question mark closing, any code if you write, that can be treated as PHP code. This is the basic syntax. Just I will show you basic syntax PHP code. Let's say for example, see, I have written a code, left angle bracket, question mark, PHP. Able to see? Anybody? Give the response. Anpisundamma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so PHP space echo, which is used to display the output. Okay, hello world, semicolon, and if you want write here close or else next, go to next, like this. So save as actually I saved as hello.php. So file name, any name you can write, extension should be .php. So here I saved as hello.php. So in order to run this program, hello world, just first of all you should install. Wait. You should install XAMPP server. Already I installed XAMPP server. So wait. Yeah. See, this is a XAMPP control panel. This is IDE which supports Apache, which is consists of modules Apache, MySQL Server, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. These are servers included here. So we are using Apache, so that so already started. So I stopped this one, stopped the server. Okay. So you, after installing XAMPP server, you will get control panel like this. So nothing to do, don't do anything here. Just install XAMPP server, so that after installing you will get control panel like this. Then you should start Apache server. So whenever if it is Apache is there na, this Apache is in green color, means the server is started. Green color, see, this is green color, so that the server is started. Port number here is 80. Already I told you na, PHP protocol uses 80. 440 is some other thing, not required for us. Next, you should click on admin. Click on admin. You will redirect to browser, so that you will get localhost or else http://localhost dashboard you will get. Okay. So here this is starting the server, and then I saved this file, right? What is my file name? Hello.php. This hello.php file I should place, go to my computer. Keep in mind, listen carefully, and C drive. So my XAMPP server location is C XAMPP server PP. This is XAMPP server. Go to this. In this htdocs, the directory name is htdocs. Click on htdocs. Just copy and paste that file. So even I have created a folder, that is unit 1, unit-1. Create a folder. I place that hello.php. This is my hello.php. Okay, are you following? And then you just place here. After that, you just come to the browser. Okay, and then enter http://localhost. Once again I will start. http://localhost. Okay, slash, what is my folder name? Unit-1. Unit-1. What is my PHP file name? hello.php. Once again, come to the browser, open your browser, http://localhost-. My folder name is unit-1, and what is my PHP file? hello.php. Enter this. So you get, what is the output? Hello world. What I have written code here? Hello world. Okay, echo is to display the output. Once again I will tell you what is the use of that one. Okay, in this way, basic program, just write the program. This actually I used Edit Plus. You can use Notepad also, not a problem. Any editor you can use. Okay, so for writing the code, left angular bracket, $PHP. This is the basic syntax. So between this PHP, you can write any number of lines code. Any number of lines of code that will be executed. Okay, understood? Understood? Any doubt? Next. So This is the syntax of PHP, right? And next, here what I explained, that is actually the default file extension for PHP file is .php. A PHP file normally contains HTML tags and some PHP scripting code. So this PHP code we can write in HTML tags also. Not even without HTML tags also we can write. Okay, anyway, we'll have examples. And also hello world page I have given simple. Next, one more example here. So with HTML tags. So here doc type HTML anyway right now is not required for you. In this, it is not required. And schema actually at the time of XMLs I will tell you. Okay. So here one more page we are going to write HTML code. I think whether have we come across HTML? Anybody?
No, sir.
No. Okay, no problem. Even not a problem. HTML tags actually while creating web pages, tags are used. Tags are used. Okay. Tags are what is the meaning of tag? You know, this is angular bracket HTML, right angular bracket is there now, and also that is opening tag and closing of HTML /HTML. Same example I will show with this. Yeah. Okay. See, this is the same code. So tags, this is opening tag. Any page, if you want to write web page, if you want to write web code, you should write between HTML tags. This is opening tag. This is closing tag. So whatever code you should write between these HTML tags. After that, this is the body tag. So body tag is subtag of L. So whatever you have, you should write the code between HTML tag body. So body will be the display the output. So whatever you have written, body within the body that displayed as output. Okay. So in this scenario, just I have written this is H1 is a tag which is to header tag. H1 is a header tag. I will get my first page as a heading, and then I will get the output as this is PHP code. Next, this is PHP code. Okay, this is PHP code. So between the body you should write. If you want to write PHP code within the HTML code, without HTML code also we can write. Not a problem. For this output, this is the code. Okay, HTML tag is the root tag in order to create web page. Okay, body is a subtag of HTML. So if you want to write web page, definitely you should write HTML tag as well as body tag, right? Okay, so PHP script tags can be written within HTML. Okay, leave it. Wait. Save it, and then same way go to browser, localhost -unit -1 what is my file name? My file name is hello world.php. Just enter that hello world.php. Let's enter. Oh, sorry, it goes somewhere. http://localhost/unit -1/hello world.php. See, because I have given a heading h1 tag, because of that reason this is heading. What is my output? PHP output is code. See, go to code. So I have written the PHP code like this. Echo is used to display the output. Echo is a function which is used to display the output. So here echo, I have written code like PHP echo space in double quotes what I have written within double quotes. Hello world, 3 exclamation mark and with semicolon. So if in PHP code, every line, every statement should be and with semicolon. Keep in mind. Okay. So finally the output is like this. Fine. Any doubt? So
No, sir.
I'm launching the poll. Okay. Just give the answer. Give the answer. So 1 minute I'll give the time. Within 1 minute I'll end the polling. 1 minute time. Okay. This is about basic HTML page. Basic PHP tag embedded in HTML code. Okay. Next. How can we write comments in PHP? So all we know, we have written comments in Java also, in C, C++ also. In what way this will be? We will write the comments in PHP. Comments can be write, single line will be double slash and hash also, and multiple comment lines are there. That will be, we will write it forward slash star and some multiple lines and star forward slash. So this is the way of writing the comments in PHP. Even if you observe PHP code $x, this is the x is a variable. Variables are declared in PHP by using $x equal to 5. Within 5 and 5, I have commented like, okay, 15 I commented, plus 15 I commented, okay, and I printed the echo $x. Fine. This is the way of commenting the comments we can write in PHP code. Just comments, I will show the code for you. See what I have written there. What I have written there, that should be here. So my file name is comments.php. See, I will explain the code. Here $x. So variables are declared in PHP by using dollar followed by name of the variable. Variables are actually used a container for the storing the information, right? So here 5 plus 15. So 20 will be stored in X. That value will be printed by using echo. This is my code. So just I will run this code. So localhost /unit1, what is my file name? Comments.php. COMMENTS, comments.php. See, what is the answer? 20. Okay. Comments will not displayed. Comments not displayed. So out of 100, only 80 people are given and the poll. So I'll share the result also. This is the result. Only 80 people are given. So 80 people are present. Based on this, we will give. Keep in mind. This will be recorded, Amma. This will be recorded. Okay. This is comments, how to write comments in PHP. Next. Case sensitivity, nothing but PHP codes are case sensitive or not. So here case sensitive variables declared. Suppose I just am checking case sensitive whether variable names are case sensitive or not. So same thing I will explain by executing the code case.php. See, I have written PHP code. Just simply echo. I told you echo is a function which is to display the output. So I have written echo as capital letters, small letters, combination of capital and small letters. Okay. So case sensitive or not, just I will check and then we'll discuss. So case.php. So I have stored there case.php. See, hello world, we are getting the same output, right? So functions not case sensitive. Okay, echo we can write like this, echo we can write like this, we can write like this. Okay, this is next color. Okay, this for this. Okay, anyway, I'll show this code also. Just wait. Next here for this I written the code in the variable color is red. This same variable I printed my car is color is same variable name here capital letters combination of capital and small letters combination of capital whether it is case sensitive or not we'll see. Okay, what is the output here is my car is red, remaining my house is color, will not get the output. Just check NOT LKS. See, my car is red, my car is red, meaning red is a string will be stored in a variable COLO or small letters, so that the echo is printed, return the print value, my car is red, but not these COLO and these combinations, so that variables are case sensitive. Okay, this is example. And then this is about the basic programs of just wait. Stop recording. Fine. See, here three variables are declared. One is $txt variables. I have told already. $txt, $x, $y. So here string value will be stored txt, and the integer value will be stored in x, and floating value will be stored in y. So this value I am going to print by using echo function. See, echo function supports multiple parameters. So multiple arguments. Anyway, I'll tell you the difference. I'll tell you in the future. So string is within double quote and dot. So like concatenation. Dot here is look like concatenation. So string dot $txt. So I print string is welcome. My idea is string is welcome and br tag. Somebody asked me, can we use break line? So br tag within double quotes. Integer value is $x. Whatever PHP code we have written, as it is we can write. Whatever HTML tags if you use in PHP, that will be treated as string only. Within double quotes you should write. So br tag is a HTML tag. This is HTML tag, not PHP tag. That's what I have written in double quotes. Okay, and then $x and float value will be is $y. Okay, so my file name is variables.php. So I saved it and I will run it. Unit 1 variables.php. See, so welcome is printed and x value is 5 and y value is 12.5. So here based on the assignment, variable type will be declared. So here txt is a variable of type string and x is a variable of type integer. Why? Because we are assigning the integer value, and y is a float of type float. Why? Because we are assigning float value. Understood? This is about variables in PHP. Next, what I have given explanation, same thing I have written here. So the variable $txt will hold the value of hello world. The variable $x will hold the value of 5, and the variable $y will hold the value of 10.5. So here, just to make the note, when you assign a text value to variable, put quotes around the value. So if you want to write in text, you should write within double quote. And it actually, when compared to other programming languages, PHP has no command for declaring a variable. It is created the moment you first assign a value to it. This is the meaning. It is created the moment you first assign a value to it. If you assign string value, that is string type. If you assign integer value, that is integer type. If you assign float value, that is float type. That is okay. Next, in order to declare the variable or create the variable, what is the conventions or what are the conventions? These are the rules in order to create variables in PHP. First thing is start with $sign followed by name of the variable. Next the point is name should be must start with a letter or the underscore. These are usually being C and C++ Java you did it. And a variable name cannot be a number. So variable cannot start with a number. Okay. And variable can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore like this. These are the capital A to small like any lowercase uppercase letter 0 to 9 and underscore only. And variables names are case sensitive. Keep in mind, variables names are case sensitive. So like simple example, $H and $H, both are different variables. This is a difference. And I'll show this code of output variables. So here 3 examples are there. First example, text. So in what way the echo will be function? So I'll show you. So here the value will be string and echo. Within the echo I have written the variable. Next one, with next $txt will be as a variable I displayed, and next thing is I assigned value of integer values. Okay, just I'll run this code. Yeah. So first thing is simple. This is a variable txt. Variable name is txt. The value of I assigned for this is string. Okay, just I'll run this code echo1.php, echo1 echo1 echo1.php. See, I allow Vignan Institute of Technology and Science. So what is the code here? The string is Vignan Institute of Technology and Science. Will be stored in the txt variable. Okay, I'm going to print. This is the allow and $txt within double quotes. So if you write this also, it will be displayed on as output. Okay. One more thing is I have written the code like 2 arguments in echo function. This is one argument or one parameter. This is another parameter. Okay. Same thing. Same output we will get. Same output we will get. This is echo 2, right? Observe the difference for each file. Same output. See, echo2.php. Okay, got it? Next. One more, echo 3. This is here the variables are declared as $x equal to 5. Nothing but x and y are the variable of type integer. Why? Because 5 and 13 are integer values. We are assigning the integer values. Okay. I can run the file name is echo3.php. Echo 3. See what is the values I have given? 5 plus 13. So here we are doing addition operation. So the output is 18. So the output 18. Okay. In this way, we will declare the variables in these ways. output variables. Okay, one more poll I am going to launch. Wait. Sorry, not this. One more poll I want to, yeah. Anyway, you should give the first answer. First, second one I'll launch again. You should give first question. This is for 1 minute. Do it. First question. No need to give second question. First question only. First question only. First question.
By answering only one, we are not getting submit option.
Okay, so okay, you'll get second also, not a problem. Okay, one more time I'll launch. Not a problem. Okay. Ten seconds more. 48 people, 50 people. 3 seconds more. 3, 2, 1. End the meeting. End the poll. Out of I'll share the result. See, this is okay. 67 people are attending right now. Okay. Anyway, this can be recorded. So anyway, if you on or not, that is not point here. Whether you should be attempting or not. This is the point here. Okay. Anyway, up to now, so we discussed about what is PHP and then what is PHP variables. And then up to now we have used echo function. See, there are two functions are there which is to display the output console. One is echo, another is print. Both are same almost, only small differences. Echo function can take multiple parameters and print function can take only single parameter. That is one difference. Second difference is echo function doesn't return any value, like void. So it doesn't return any value. But print, it returns 1. It returns 1. That is the main difference between echo and print. Both are same. You can use anyway. Okay. One small example I'll give you by differentiating these things. So first thing I'll give you a program like displaying the content by using echo, and next displaying the content by using print. Next display what is the difference between print and echo. Okay, just see the code. I'll show the code. Next, see. So this is the code for echo function. See, anything you want to write the code within HTML, you should write first HTML, next the body tag. So this is HTML opening tag. Same we can observe. This is HTML close tag. Close tag are nothing but HTML before there is a forward slash. And next body tag, body opening tag. This is next closing of body tag. Between the body, you should write PHP code. Any code. Yeah, other than PHP code, some HTML tags also you can write. Anyway, see here, first echo function I am displaying heading PHP is fun. Next, this is next hello world. Next, I am about to learn PHP. So here BR is to go for next line. And then these first three statements having single parameters. Next statement echo. This is having multiple parameters. Like first parameter is this, second parameter is string, third was and fourth parameter is made like this, multiple parameters. Okay, and then two variables are declared. Anything you want to write, anything, not a problem. So txt1 and txt2, and two integer numbers x and y, 5 plus 5 and 4. I am displaying these two string variables by using these two lines. Okay, after that, and then I'm performing addition of this. Final, my output is this text and this text, and then addition of these two numbers. So I'll check what is my file name, diff.php. Diff.php. Go to URL diff.php. Now see the difference. So whatever echo is, you should observe multiple parameters. This string was made with multiple parameters. That is the difference you should observe. Got it? This is the use of echo function. Next, print. Print. See the same single argument, single parameter, this is the text. Same thing. I am displaying this by using this is single parameter. Okay. Finally, I'll execute this print1.php. Print1. print1.php. This is the main difference between print and echo functions. And this is in terms of parameters. In terms of return value, I'll show one more code. This is, observe carefully. Observe carefully PHP code. This is the code. First, I declared as name string variable Vignan will be placed here and return. Why? Because print return the value, right? Print return one value. So that print $name. So that the output of this print, okay, anyway we are getting Vignan, it return value is 1. Return value is 1. So this return value will be printed by using echo function. Echo. So this displays 1. This displays 1. So first I will show this. So print returns 1 or not. Print returns 1 or not. My file name is diff1.php. So I'll go to URL. diff1.php. See, Vignan, what is written value? 1. Written value is 1. Keep in mind, see, my code is print name. Vignan will be printed. Unmute yourself. Monica, unmute. Sorry, mute. Don't unmute. If you have any doubt, raise your hand, then I'll ask. I'll give the permission. Meanwhile, don't unmute. Okay. See the difference? Here, print returns 1, right? So, print display, output console print here Vignan will give. The value of print return value will be stored in return. Okay. This return variable will be printed by echo function. So that that's what I used BR here. BR. So next line it will print 1. So same thing will see Vignan. Next line will be 1. Keep in mind. And what is echo? Echo, same code I have written here. See, commented here. See, first bits I have written in M1 and echo will be printed here. Echo will be printed here and return RET by using printer that RET $RET will be printed. So we'll check. Echo doesn't return any value. So meaning what will get output? Nothing. Error will get. Check. See, syntax and unexpected echo in line number 13. in line number 13. This is why, because it doesn't return any value, like look like void function, void. Okay. This is about difference between echo and print. Echo and print. Next, PHP data. Anyway, this is enough up to now. If you have any doubt, so today we have completed introduction to PHP. Okay, and then now simple program, how to write a simple PHP program, and then executing how to execute the PHP program, and then we have learnt about PHP variables. And next, what is the difference between print and echo function? Any doubts? Ask me. What is the doubt? Sir, we can perform operations based on operational arithmetic. Yeah, we can do. We can do operations. Next classes we will learn. So you are going too fast. Okay, I'll try. Okay, not a problem. Okay. Why? Because program is executing. That's what. What if we put $name equal to h1 Vignan? You will get output. You will try. So now I'm going to give one more poll again. Same poll I'll give relaunch. Second poll I'll give again. Wait. Yeah, this one only. This is 1 minute time I'll give again. So based on this explanation you will give. Fine, good. Good. Sir, installation of PHP in laptop WT version should be. I didn't get them. I didn't get them. Lakshmi, once again, unmute yourself and ask the question. Polling will be end within 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. This is the result. Check first question answer is 95% is given. Okay, that is correct. And second question answer is 89% students given. That is correct. So print returns 1, echo no written value. Okay. Stop sterilizing. Now you can ask the question. Unmute yourself. Ask the question. Sir, I got it. It's some doubt. What is the doubt? I did not get. Installation of PHP in laptop. WT version enti. WT version enti should we ante WT ante. 1 minute. I will stop the record.